Welcome back to the channel. You guys are going to want to watch this one to the end for once. You guys might not like the other ones, but you'll like this one. So stick around and watch this thing through to the end. All right, let me start off by saying you guys do not have to listen to the Tacoma influencers out there. I get a lot of hate on these tires because they're 37s, because they're all-terrains, but I don't care, really. But just want to tell some of them that their mud tires have seen less action than these all-terrains all over the place. So keep that in mind. Also, you do not need a bed rack, molly panels on your exhaust, roto packs, and 10,000 light bars and light pods on your truck to make it a quote-unquote build. You can do things the simple way, like I've tried to do with this truck, which was always to push it in stock form, close to stock form, by putting big tires on it and keep most of the stuff stock and just see what it can do. Because that's kind of the purpose of this truck, is to wheel it and just see how it performs. I came from Jeeps. You can do anything to those. You can keep them stock and they're just monsters off-road. But some Tacoma guys just don't like it when you don't do it the way that they said that you have to do it online. No one understands that. But let's just keep it real. Just enjoy these next couple clips where I finally broke some parts and you get to watch it. It's pretty neat. And that's CV axle number 1 for the day. So just to fast forward through this whole thing, we did back down the truck, got it on some sort of level ground, and pulled the old one, put a new one in. Thanks to my buddy Josh for being out there and having 2 spare CVs. You'll find out what the second one's for just in a second. Continue watching. If you had better tires, you would grip right up that rock. My stock Tacoma can make it up that rock. Yeah, no kidding. We did get a stock first-gen Tacoma up this. Semi-stock. He's got some things done to it, but not like a lift and tires and all that. He went right up it. Just goes to show you. Maybe I suck at wheeling. Maybe my truck sucks. But we're still going to send it.
Right or left? That way. Where's the stump at?
And I was also on 11 pounds of pressure in the tires. So we tried to go as low as we could. It's just those leaves and dirt just make for a little slick situation. The problem is I didn't have any lights on and I didn't have pods down on my bumper. That's why I couldn't see the trail ahead. If I would have seen it, I could have got right around it, went right up this thing, guaranteed.
There we go.
Sometimes it just takes a good spotter to get you in that angle that you need to be to get up onto it. So that's the angle you need to get up this rock. So we'll try several more times trying to get up it, just spinning tires in the leaves and soft dirt, mud, whatever you want to call it. There's a tree stump underneath of me too that keeps getting hung up on stuff. But in the end, it was a nice semi-warm day. Quite a few people came out. We had a blast.
Digging a hole in the back end. Perfect. Come on.
Front locker would go a long way too, but we're not going to get into all that.
Whoa. go. Stay on that line.
He might have to bump it.
Come up this way. Come up this way. You can come back this way.
I only want one fucking driver. Yeah, I don't want to be the fucking miserable. Do I know?
Well done.
That's your profile right now.
And here is CV axle number 2 for the day. So, yes, it makes children cry, and we're going to pull this thing to the
And
top,
that
get it
was
swapped
another
out,
CV,
drive her
ladies and
home.
gentlemen.
We'll have a new one up soon.